what? A Tool Tuesday. We got, what is this? A Bauer. I guess 30,000 to 60,000 BTU forced air propane heater. This was what? How much? $79.99? 84 with tax. I think, yeah. So we got a normal propane bottle. It got good reviews on Harbor Freight's website. It's probably, pan around and looking, get a pan of all this, Warren. Or no insulation. It's cold in here. It's probably 50 degrees. Oh, they give you a nice little wrench. Look at that, Warren. I don't even need my pliers. Oh yeah. Nice red color. Good. It said something about square footage on here too. It says it runs up to 10 hours. Is it 1350?
Right on the side.
Oh, you know more about it than me. Yep, 1,350 square feet. You got I guess that's your inlet directions. I think this is self-explanatory. Let's get this out of here. I guess this is for that. Look at that. There's what the wrench is for. You're a little snug. This out of here. Warren, you want to keep those directions? Take them home with you? I don't know. Man, that was we're ready to fire this up.
Let's hook it up.
I know. I don't know if I should fire it up here. I guess we'll do it up here. It's not gonna hurt anything. Just don't stand over there.
You're not going to give any sort of safety precautions?
Not really. I didn't read the directions. Reverse thread. Hand tighten. Pretty good. What's it say? Gas knob, min-max gas valve. Okay. I'm gonna plug it in. Need a cord. Here we go. Got one. We'll shoot this that way so it's not gonna get you. Watch this thing not work. Let's see. What's it say? Operation. Close gas valve on connect hose. Close gas knob on heater. Okay. It's closed. Start heater. Position yourself behind the heater. Position yourself behind the heater. Push and hold gas valve. Hold ignition button. That's it. She's on. Don't burn the camera. That's on min. Oh man, this thing will blow you out of here. I don't want to turn it all the way up. That's pretty good. Huh?
Yeah.
I mean, that's like a real deal. Well, what does it look like? Oh yeah, that's pretty good, man. It doesn't really, it doesn't. I mean, it smells, but I don't really. I wouldn't say it. You don't really have like a nasty, like propane-y smell to it, which is good. I mean, the fan's rolling. I mean, it looks good. That's his max right there. It's all the way up. It's pretty good, isn't it? Well, we gotta find a place to put it. Shut her down. Shut her down. All right. I don't know. I think it's pretty good. Let's get this table out of here and kind of figure out where we're going to put it, and then we're set up. I'm going to fire it back up. Turn the gas on. Flip the switch. Gas valve. Minimum. That's the minimum one. We'll put it on max. That's plenty of room. It's pretty good. Yeah. Oh, heat that place up in no time. Well, anyway, that's it for this one. We'll catch you on the next one.